This is a journey of a beer fridge to Red Deer, Alberta, center of the universe.
We like to do things to a new level every time if we can.
We came up with this wild-ass plan, totally Canadian plan.
Something unique that no one else has done, right?
And it's all about Hockey Canada and the Olympics and having a great time with some friends on a Canadian winter day and cheering on the red and white. We went on that the website, and it's a great website. It's not the website that guys usually go on, but it was called Kijiji. And we found this fridge just south of Penhold in this abandoned farmhouse. And we went down there.
Meet this nice lady at the old farmhouse. Trudge through the snow, in powdered snow, trucking through the snow, find the fridge.
The mother load.
Oh, she's cold. She's good to
You
go.
working?
We need some beer.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Got the fridge. Okay, it's been a tough afternoon. We're lucky we got it. But here we are. Got the fridge loaded. Now we're off to the paint shop. Okay, because this is a mission, and we will get this done. Right, Crab?
And we loaded it up one winter night and brought it back to my buddy's shop, and then Mark was in charge.
Started working on Friday, finished prepping. It took 3 full days, took about 30 some hours to prep it to get it ready for paint. Painted the compressor, the lines, checked out everything else, pulled off the back coils, sprayed the black, sprayed the red. I've never sprayed this type of paint before. It's an automotive paint. Did a great job. Perfect. Wasn't that good. Got convinced to put lacquer over top. So with lacquer, you can't put your fingerprints on it, it won't come through. Tuesday night, go to spray, fingerprints. Little to say, I wasn't too pleased. Next day, do it again, doesn't work. This is Thursday night, have to deliver the fridge to the place we need to get it.
And he painted it red, man. It's all coming together. It's huge.
It's things that are harder to do and more difficult to do are worth the effort in the end. So hopefully in Team Canada, when they're playing, they're working hard, and all the things they had to go through to go to Sochi pay off, and they get delivered the medal, and we get delivered our fridge. Every time we have a function together, people step forward and put themselves out there and say, what can I do? What can I help?
About 7 or 8 guys that have all worked really hard to get us here.
You know, and that is the Canadian way. Everyone just wants to help.
A buddy of ours, Kevin Z, he's gone out there and he put a whole bunch of chalk down and it says, "Go Team Canada, go," and we got the maple leaf in the snow.
You know, you mention one thing and they want to get involved. And of course we asked for a little less help on this one because we wanted it to be a surprise, right?
Really important is the delivery, okay? Because the delivery is the climax of the whole adventure. We have an expression with the guys I hang with. We're going to come in hot. So it's going to be flown by a helicopter here in about 2 hours. It's a Bell 214 helicopter. We're going to get pretty closer. The fridge is going to be hanging 130 feet below. And he's going to come up out of the valley, and we're going to be there, and we're going to cheer on Team Canada, and that fridge is going to be dropped down, and yeah, it's going to be full of beer too. So that's what's important, because we're Canadian.
6 weeks of hard work.
At least 6 weeks of hard work. And about at least 150 to 200 hours worth of planning. How's it look?
Oh, that's awesome.
Let's do this.
I said you nailed it. He said I had to give it a little bump to get the door to face you guys. He's an awesome guy. Woo! 6 weeks of hard work, a whole bunch of cool friends, and we're cheering on Team Canada. You know, go Team Canada, go! And the Olympics are going to be a huge success for us. And everybody! Woo!